Hi guys, Di here, and I am showing you a flip through of the design team project for January for Rach and Bella Craft, and I've used the kit called Vintage Pink, Vintage Pink Journal Kit. That's this one, very pretty. I've decided to go with purple on this one. So let's have a look. So on the front we've got some vintage jewellery. I fussy cut 2 butterflies and layered them on top of each other. A bit of glitter, some metallic micro beads. These are wool curls. This is a reverse embossed resist, and then I've inked over it in purple. We've got some vintage lace, some trim on here, the same embossing on the back, and some metal corners. So there's some lots of detail. Got some washi tape and some metal. Inside we've got a large pocket. This is one of the envelopes from the kit. Nothing in there at the moment. Then it has a magnetic closure. That's a metal filigree piece. Just fits in there. Have a corner pocket with just a tag and a journaling card. I've used some of the fussy cut butterflies from the kit as tags. I've just backed them onto each other as tags throughout the journal. Some coffee dyed paper, stamping, corner pocket with a couple of journaling cards. This is just a little booklet made from papers with some lace, and just use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch for that. Okay, another one of the butterflies. Lots of journaling room. This is a little coin envelope. Nothing inside, just with some of the papers. Little pocket, one of the journaling card, postcard type things, and a little tag. Another one of those butterfly tabs. It's just a tag. There's a corner pocket, and just with some paper from the kit, just a coffee dyed paper. Sorry, not from the kit, just a coffee dyed paper. And a little postcard, some stamping, some just fussy cut a butterfly and put him on there. A piece of a journal cover that comes with the kit that I've just used as a journaling spot. Another tag. All the pages are stamped, not actually sewn. This is just a little flip out. I've used one of the fussy cut butterflies as a tuck spot. Used a piece out of the kit as a belly band with some metal and a little gem. It's one of the postcards from the kit. Just used it as a journaling spot. Little tag. One of the pages I've just made it into a folding journaling spot, another envelope, but I've left this one open to journal in, and it's magnetised as well. And just another little pocket with a couple of journaling cards. And another pocket on the back with a large tag. And a little journaling card there. And that's it, a little TN. This paper is just gorgeous, this embossed. I'll do a tutorial on how to do this with heat embossing as a resist. Yeah, so it's a cute little TN. And next one coming up is going to be this. I'm going to do a lap book with a medieval theme, so that will be my next journal. That's 2 days worth of fussy cutting, or 2 evenings I should say. And there will be all of this luscious trim to go in, so that's going to be fun. Looking forward to that one. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Catch us later.